Please do subscribe. In order to become a good guitarist, in order to play the guitar with full confidence, आपको एक चीज करना ही होगा, फिंगर एक्सरसाइज। ये जो है फिंगर एक्सरसाइज, ये आपको बहुत दूर ले जाएगा। ठीक है, सो एवरी मॉर्निंग what you can do, you can just do some finger exercise, 1 2 3 4 4 3 2 1, whatever combinations you know, कुछ भी, but do the finger exercise। इससे क्या होगा, आपका फिंगर का एक्सरसाइज हो जाएगा। It's like a gym. After that, whatever you play, it will sound much better. So this is one suggestion and advice to all of you. Okay, so namaste friends. Today we'll be doing a very important song, very nice song, melody. It's a Harry Potter theme. And it's pretty easy. I tried to play it in an easy way, and it has been given tab-wise, line by line. हर लाइन पे मैंने टैब यूज किया है, आप देख लीजिए और आप बहुत इजी से बजा पाओगे। You can learn it in 5 minutes. At the end of the lesson, I will show you some nice photographs. So first, let's go to the lesson. First line. The notes are B0, E0, E3, E2, E0, E7, E5, E2, E0, E3, E2, B4, E1, B0. Next line. Notes are B0, E0, E3, E2, E0, E7, E10, E9, E8, E4, E8, E7, E6, B0, E3, E0. Next line. Notes are E3, E7, E3, E7, E3, E8, E7, E6. Next part. Notes are E2, E3, E7, E6, B0, B0, E7. Next part. The notes are E3, E7, E3, E7, E3, E10, E9, E8, E4, E8, E7, E6, E2, E3, E0, E0.